and welcome back to our channel. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are in a much different environment than we have been for the last, I don't know, 6 videos, I think.
And it feels so good.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice. The
It's seriously
sun is
like
out.
70, 75 degrees on us.
Yeah, I have no idea how you're wearing a long sleeve.
This is going to change here in a minute. But we are once again back in the Deschutes Canyon out by Maupin, Oregon. And we love coming out here a couple times a year. And a little late in the springtime.
Yeah.
Everything is green and beautiful.
This is the first time we've been out here this late. Usually we're here in like February, very early March time frame. And then like late October, November.
So it's always brown.
Yeah, everything's brown, but it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And somehow there's like nobody out here. So knock on wood
It might change, but whatever. We're in a campground. You have to stay in campgrounds when you're out in this canyon area, the 17-mile area. And we're at the end.
Yep.
Because tomorrow, in our next video, we're going to do something fun and a little different.
Yeah.
So, but right now, let's go
Get set up.
get set up.
Grab some lunch.
Yeah.
And bring our chairs down here and relax. And actually get some sunshine on these white
Let's
arms.
get some sunburn. Sunburns engaged, baby. Let's go. Wait, where's the truck?
We didn't bring it this time.
What?
We got our adventure trailer.
Yep.
Our Lobo Adventure trailer. It's been a minute.
Yep. We have, for all your newcomers, this is our adventure trailer from Lobo Trailers down in Corona, California. It is 100% U.S. made. And we've had it for about a year and a half.
Yeah, a year and a half.
And so we love it. Got our little stickers on there and everything. This is what it looks like all put together. Yeah, all closed up, put together, and
yeah, now we're gonna open it all up and get everything all set up.
let's go.
Let's go.
Whoa, look at the white legs.
Oh my gosh, I think the camera is blinded.
Look at that. First tanker of the year, baby.
April 2nd. 3rd.
3rd. There you go. Got the little sunshine. Means it's working.
So for those of you that are keeping track, we have the FSR Free Spirit Recreation Cali King on our truck. And this is the FSR Evo 2XL. So it is about like a little over a like queen size bed in there. Pretty nice. It's definitely a lot smaller than the Cali King, but this is perfect for the trailer. All right, next up we have our 270-degree max awning from the Bush Company. I've missed having an awning. That's the one downside of the truck, is that we don't have an awning.
Yep.
But that could change.
We got bed kind of set up. We did bring the heated mattress pad just because it's going to be in the 30s tonight. I love that fridge. Missed it.
I know. I was like, how can we put this in the truck for 2 weeks?
Put it in the tailgate.
Oh, look at all the butterflies.
Yep.
Oh.
Shh. Shh. Quiet. Quiet.
I got my feet wet.
Quiet.
Body, 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 body.
All right, it's about that time, Anne Marisa.
It is.
What are we having for dinner?
We are making the Omnia chicken enchiladas again because they turned out so good the first time. So we're going to try to replicate it and see if we can make it happen again. So I shredded chicken at home last night and just adding some pollo asado seasoning. And I'm going to add some Trader Joe's salsa verde. And then we're going to start layering. All right, dinner is cooking. Easy. Holy moly, holy.
All right. Finished product. Just what? Our dinner's not going to get cold in 3.5 seconds. That's amazing.
Oh my gosh. That's dark. Now time to clean up.
Very good, man. Very good, man.
I'm already ready for bed. Oh, that dinner was so good.
Yeah. Every time. Bam, 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 bam. Every time. Banger after banger after banger. So our next video, we're going to be doing some hiking.
Yeah. It's been a minute.
Because the road ends here. And after that, there's a trail that just leads down the river. And there's some pretty awesome history involved with this canyon that we're going to talk about. So
Stay tuned.
Yeah. For next week's video. And yeah. We'll have some camping in it too. So it won't be just all history and hiking. So we're going to chill. Look at the stars. Look at fire.
Yep.
Usual. So.
The usual.
Yeah.
Might call it an early night. I'm so tired.
Can watch a movie.
A movie in our comfy Hest mattress. I've missed it so much. We might be buying another one at Expo.
It won't fold up, dude.
I think it will. I think there's a way we could do it.
Fold up in the Cali.
I think there's a way we can make it happen.
That's it.
All right.
Good night.
Good night. We're going to bed.
Enjoy the
We're
time
going
lapse.
to watch a movie.
Yeah. Enjoy the time lapse. It's pointing towards the north-ish. But, you know, the moon's going to screw it up. So, sorry, guys.
All right. See you in the AM.
See. Morning.
Good morning. Oh, had a great night of sleep until the, train came through at 3 something in the morning.
Yeah. Cool.
And then the geese were so loud this morning. But,
not complaining.
Oh.
Beautiful, beautiful campsite.
Yeah.
And great morning.
It's been pretty chill. We did breakfast quesadillas and some coffee.
Yeah.
And and just hung out for a little bit. And now we're all packed up because
on to our next adventure.
We are taking off on an adventure on foot. So you'll have to stay tuned until next video to see that one though.
Yep. All right. Well, it's going to be fun.
Yep.
Especially in this heat.
It is exposed and super warm. So we might be a little red on the next video. But
yes. Let's go.
All right. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We have a video out every Friday. And don't forget to check out our YouTube store with merch for the Explore Camper Pete stuff.
Yep. All right, guys.
All right.
See ya.
See you on the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.
Power of the sun in the palm of my hand. movie's that?
Marvel,
Yes?
Thor.
Negative.
Is it from Thor?
Negative. Old movie.
Like very first Iron Man? Movie?
No. Before that.
Oh, I don't know.
We're going old school.
I have no idea then.
Oh. It's Doc Ock.
Oh,
Spider-Man 2.
Spider-Man. Gotcha.
Oh, the fleet. Flip, flip. Flip, flip, Why do these tears come in eye?
Why?
Why?
Just why?
She got the way to move me. She got the way to move me. Oh, cherry baby. Gunda. Now we're camping. Now we're camping, girl.